So this is how it looks. So here I can see some lake. Hi guys, this is Dinil Rahul. How are you all? Welcome to my channel. If anybody is watching my videos first time, please do subscribe. So without missing all my videos, you can watch. ఎవరైనా ఫస్ట్ టైం నా వీడియోస్ చూస్తుంటే మర్చిపోకుండా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, అన్ని వీడియోస్ తప్పకుండా చూడొచ్చు. సో రైట్ నౌ ఐ మీన్ బందిపూర్ ఫారెస్ట్. సో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు వైనాడ్ from Bandipura forest. I think everybody know about Bandipura forest. It's very famous for animals, wild animals. So you can see here wild animals, like so many things. So the thing is, I decided to stay here only today night in my camping. So from here, if I go just 30 kilometers, I'll get to Wayanad. So in Wayanad, I'll stay there only in my camping. All over, full night I'll stay there only. You can see. One second, monkey. So full night I'll stay in my camping only. I'll show you the experience how it is. So most of the people they know, right? One second, you can see the deers there. Not leopard, deers. జింకలు చాలా ఉన్నాయి అక్కడ. హాయ్ వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాయి. Yeah, so I'll show you how that experience will be like, full night staying alone in camping in wild forest with wild animals. We'll see, maybe I can say animals also, so I won't come out night time from my camping. So we'll see. I have to find some good place to sleep today. Night. I think you can see there some good places there. I think I can see water also there, because that is very important, because morning I have to do so many things with water. Hope you understand. So water is very important. So we'll see. My road and Dilandi. This is really horrible, guys, this road. We'll see. So somebody is there. It's okay. So I can sleep here, not here. I think something is there here, water and all. This is very important. I can do bath here only tomorrow. So it is very useful for everything, not only for bath. So yes, I think completely wet here. Wow. So nice. Super ఉంది కదా. It's almost nearby Bandipura forest. So I'll sleep here. Here surface everything is good. It's not dirty, like mud. బాగా మట్టిగా కాకుండా కొంచెం బాగుంది ఇక్కడ సర్ఫేస్. సో I'll stay here. I'll go and I'll take my bike and my camping. Guys, don't skip this video watch till end. I'll show you everything, like how I'll make camping, how to make camping, how I'll stay here, how I'll sleep night time, everything. So full night, like I think till I sleep I'll show you everything. So guys, I decided to stay here today night because I didn't get proper place. So because here I'll get water and some lake kind of thing is there. I don't know what is that. So I'll make my camping here. So many people they used to ask me like how you'll make camping and all. So I'll show you now each and everything. Watch this video without missing. Don't skip this video at all, okay? Because I'll show you how I'll make each and everything. First of all, It's raining like anything. Something. So this is my camping. I'll show you how I will, how I will make tent and all. Everything. Don't skip this video because I'll show you everything. It's completely wet, guys. So this is my chair. We can do like this and we can sit. So if I want to sit, so I can use like this. So this I'll keep here. I'll keep here. So these are the ropes. So very important, guys. Last time I lost these ropes, again I bought. Without these poles you can't do anything. It's completely wet. And one more thing, here so many leeches are there. We should be very careful. So we have to take this, we have to put down. So like this. So then again we have to take these ropes. See, these ropes simple. Like this, it will come. So next, same. This also to opposite direction. So from here again. So we have to take like this. See, here we have to attach. 1, 2. So like this and like this and so make sure everything you have to attach properly. So done, guys. Now we have to put this cover because see, this is only for inside. This is if you put if it is raining also nothing will happen. So that's it, guys. Once again I'll show you now. that's it. I'll go inside, I'll show you. So this is my room inside. Today night I'll sleep here. See the sounds, water drop sounds. So good, no? I'll show you how it is outside completely. And don't try, guys, anyone, because without any experience, because here so many wild animals are there. Because this is in almost near to Bandipur forest. So Bandipura forest. So please don't try without any experience, because here you can see the wild animals also. So you should be very careful. I'll show you how it is. So this is how it looks. So here I can see some lake. Some water here going. So nobody is not there, so no problem. I can stay aram se. So I can sit in this. It's almost 6 p.m. guys, because within after some time I think it will be dark here. I have to make one nice food. I bought some food. I have to eat and I have to sleep. And don't forget, again here whatever places are there, I'll show you each and everything. And night time how it will be, I will show you now. Like night time in wild forest, how the sounds will be, like how that everything will be, I'll show you right now. So don't miss. I think tomorrow morning 6:30 I'll wake up and I'll leave from here. So I'll show you how it will be today night also. So yeah, I bought my food when I'm coming. So I'll eat now. So before that, so many people they have a doubt, like how it will be inside the tent in a wild forest. Now I'll show you. We will go out, we will check how it is. It's completely wet, guys. Shit, nothing is there. Where is my bike? Where is my bike? Yes, my bike. Right. It's like normal only, guys, because I don't even feel any difference, because inside see you can see it's like very normal. But if you go out, maybe you'll get scared. That's why I won't go out. So I should eat some of my food. I don't know where to keep this. Yeah. So I bought some good food. What is this? This is and chicken. Special chicken. Not bad. This is completely Kerala style, guys. So we'll see. First, let me open this chicken. because without chicken I can't. So it's a chicken, and with this chapati. This is I think veg curry. So what? Mmm, it's good. It's spicy cucumber. I forgot to take tripods. Everything I kept in my bike. 1 second. One second. So finally done with my dinner. Good night, guys. Good night, good night, good night.